How to fix low memory in Roblox on Android. Now, fixing the low memory warning on Android requires freeing up system RAM and storage. So simply follow all of these steps. Now, too many active apps running simultaneously drain available memory of your device. So simply swipe up the bottom of your screen and hold on to open the recent apps tray. Now, close all the application from here. For example, if I open Gmail and if I want to remove it, simply tap on close all. Now free up your recents. Now after you clear away and close all unnecessary apps before launching Roblox, now try to clear Roblox app case because corrupted memory files can cause the client to hog memory. So simply tap on the app for some time and tap on the app info icon with I symbol. Now simply navigate to the storage section. Now here you'll find clear cache and clear data. Simply tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now after that, head back. Now just below there is force stop icon. Make sure to tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now simply close all the application. Now try reopening the Roblox app. And if it still shows the storage problem, that means that your device storage is full. You can see your device storage information by going to the device gear. And a detailed information of storage is seen here. As you can see, the storage is almost full. That is why the app is not logging properly and showing glitches. Now tap on it to see which is consuming how much storage. Now after you see the detailed review, you can start deleting unnecessary videos, images, or even application to free up the memory. And that's it, guys. After you remove your memory and have a significant amount of storage available, try opening the Roblox and start playing your games. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.